Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best countertop dishwasher is Farberware Countertop Dishwasher. This FDW05ASBWHA countertop dishwasher can be powerful and adaptable, which means it is able to wash your dishes no matter where you are. It can be able to hold up to 12 inches in diameter in an angle, making it ideal for smaller areas, or for anyone who wants the dishwasher near but isn't able to accommodate an water hookup. The tank that is built in allows you to enjoy the convenience of using the dishwasher without having an adjacent kitchen faucet or any other connection. You'll never have to rinse dishes by hand again using this Farberware Countertop Dishwasher FDW05ASBWHA. With 5 wash programs, comprising normal, rapid, fruit wash and baby care and glass, you can meet a variety of family requirements. Its air refresh function will freshen the air in your dishwasher each when an indicator light is illuminated at any time during a wash cycle, making it smell fresh and fresh. It is equipped with lower and upper spray arms, as well as an 3D rinse system to ensure the most clean pan for your kitchen. It has easy-to-use controls that are housed in an LED display panel that lay all washing options, just like maps on paper. Number 2 in our side is EdgeStar DWP62SV Countertop Dishwasher. The dishwasher uses only 200 kilowatt-hours per year, approximately 61% less energy than similar countertop dishwashers. In addition to saving energy, this model wastes very little water, which can save you a lot of money on your water and energy bills. Extremely easy to operate, this EdgeStar portable dishwasher has 7 wash cycles and is optimized for holding up to 6 place settings, with a cutlery basket and cup shelf for organization. A stainless steel interior makes the dishwasher look good no matter where it is, while a powerful spray arm ensures a deep and thorough wash of all your dishes. The built-in rinse agent dispenser helps to minimize water spotting on dishes, while an internal water heater and the heavy wash cycle boost water temperature up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, removing even the toughest messes. With a quick connect faucet adapter and 5-foot hose to make hookup to almost any faucet simple, this dishwashing machine will be up to the job of cleaning those dirty dishes. Controlling this unit is easy with the electronic controls and beautiful digital display. Doing the dishes is no longer a chore with the EdgeStar DWP62. Third in our best countertop dishwasher list is Home Labs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. A convenient and small Energy Star certified dishwashing machine for cleaning the dishes after dinner or cooking. Simply load the dishes in the dish basket and cutlery rack and let this white dishwasher do the dirty job. Easily sits on countertops or tabletop requiring less space. With simple-to-use control panel and light indicators. Program Selector has 6 wash cycle options that is heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed, and rinse for your different dishwashing needs. Delay button light to postpone wash cycle. Using the rinse aid dispenser, you can dry your plates, mugs, and glass quickly without the marks or streaks. Only use rinse aids designed for an automatic dishwasher to prevent damaging your dishwasher. An indicator light will let you know when to refill the dispenser. This has designed our Home Labs Compact Countertop Dishwasher to meet the needs of those in apartments and other places that may not have a built-in dishwasher. Washing dishes by hand is time-consuming and often actually consumes more water. Setting up your new countertop dishwasher will only take a few minutes and it's portable so you can put it away when not in use or take it with you when you move. Our fourth pick is Farberware FCD06ABBWHA Countertop Dishwasher. A perfect space-saving solution for small living spaces, RVs, boats, or any place you need big cleaning in a compact size. This powerful, easy-to-use, portable dishwasher holds up to 6 place settings and offers 7 powerful wash programs. It's easy to install, has simple one-touch digital controls, and easily sits right on your countertops or a sturdy tabletop. The 6-place setting capacity allows you to wash a variety of dishes and includes folding down rack shelves and a cutlery basket. Features a quick connect assembly with accessories and adapters included to easily connect directly to your faucet. You'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-sized compact unit that offers 7 wash programs: heavy, normal, baby care, light, glass, speed 45 minutes, self-clean. This feature adds extra heat to the final rinse to enhance drying results, but can only be used with the following programs: heavy, normal, light, glass, baby care. If you need dishes cleaned quickly, the speed cycle lets you get items clean in only 45 minutes. The self-cleaning program provides an effective cleaning of the dishwasher itself. Last in this list is Danby DDW621 WDB Countertop Dishwasher. Washing has never been easier as it is with this stylish countertop dishwasher. This unit utilizes just 1 gallon means 7 liters of water for a normal cycle. It comes with 6 different settings which can easily be programmed and monitored via the electronic LED display. The wash cycles range from soak, glass, rapid, economy, normal, and intensive. The dishwasher is designed for simple and quick installation as it can easily be hooked up to any tap in your kitchen. Keeping the appliance clean is a breeze due to its durable stainless steel interior. There is an auto detergent and rinse agent dispenser for your convenience, and this dishwashing unit is designed to fit under just about any type of kitchen cabinet.